Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, smack that notification bell so you never miss a video, and also leave a comment down below about what other videos you'd like to see me do. I've got this beautiful piece of aloe vera here, which I got from a market. I got from Brixton Market. It cost around £4, £4.50 I think. I can't remember because it was a couple of days ago. But basically what we're going to do with this is we're going to cut it open, we're going to scoop out all the jelly, and then I'm just going to literally apply it to my face. I'm going to leave it on. You guys can see the results. Aloe vera is very, very good for, like, if for instance, if you have like bruising, if you've hurt yourself, if you have burns, aloe vera is very good for soothing and cooling down things like that. And also if you have things like facial acne, it's very good for getting rid of the inflammation and helping to, you know, unclog your pores and just make your skin smoother with a brighter look. So okay guys, so welcome back. I've moved the camera slightly closer just so you can see how I'm applying it. So I've got the stuff here. It's really, really gloopy. It's really kind of, look. So what we're going to do is we're just going to apply this to my fingertips. I was going to apply it with a brush, but I don't see the point, to be honest, because it's quite thick. And I suppose you could do this with a fork. So once you open the aloe vera, instead of using a knife, you can just sort of scrape it with a fork. And then what you could do is, just to make it a bit more blended, you could put it in the blender or NutriBullet or something and blend it, mix it all up with a bit of water or maybe a bit of oil, like almond oil, olive oil for your skin. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying this. Woo. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's so weird. It feels like, it's not a horrible feeling, but it feels weird. It feels like, I don't want to be like, it feels like snot. Like, I've never had snot smelled all over my face, but that's exactly what it feels like. Oh my god, guys, look. Oh, I look like a boogie monster. Oh. I mean, it's not actually, it's so heavy that it's not actually sticking. I mean, you can see it there. Okay. It's so sticky. Oh my gosh. And I do have my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows this morning, so obviously there. Oh, it's quite soothing actually. It's like, oh, it feels very, okay guys, word of warning, do not cover your nostrils with this stuff because it just went over mine. I couldn't breathe. Okay, let's just sort of rub it on. Oh, it's dripping down my top. I think you probably have to be laying down to do this because it keeps falling. Guys, I can't get it to stay. Maybe I'll try this side. It's just not staying on. Maybe if I like lay down this way. Okay, it's going down my eyes now. It does feel so nice. It feels like slime. I know this probably looks really crazy, but I promise you it will be worth it. And actually, before I started filming this video, I did have a bit of a migraine, so let's see if any of it is stuck on, because it's just dropping literally down my top. Oh my gosh. If you do this, make sure you wear old clothes, please, because it literally gets everywhere. Look at this. This looks crazy. But we finally got it all over my face, guys. And it's just dropping. You definitely need to blend this. I mean, let's try and add some more. It's going okay. It's getting there. It's not too bad. And I think, why not do the neck as well? Because seeing as we're doing that, we might as well do the neck. A lot of people, when they do like facials and stuff, they forget the neck. Because obviously if you're exfoliating and stuff, you want all your skin to look glowy and radiant. Oh, guys, look. Oh, do you know what? It actually does feel really, really nice. And I've got one eye closed because I don't want it to sting my eyes. Is it going to sting my eyes? Should I open it? I'm really scared. Oh, it's really kind of in there. Okay. So what do I look like? Okay. It's just, they want to go down my top. No, you stay up there. Bits of aloe vera everywhere. Let's try and get a thumbnail. So sticky, guys, look. Oh. Right. Let's just keep. Damn, like. Let's get all in that area. Like, I can't even open my eye. My eye is starting to get a bit red now because obviously this looks crazy. It feels so good though, like, oh, it is so relaxing. It's actually gotten rid of my headache. There you go. I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit and I'm gonna let it work its magic, even though it probably already has or is. It feels really, really good. And I'm gonna leave this on for a little while and I'm gonna come back to you guys after I wash it off. Okay guys, I'm back. I've literally just washed it off of my face. One thing I will say about this is when you're washing it, you might as well just literally go in the shower and just run the shower head all over your face, because it's so sticky and gooey and it's really hard to come off. And even though like when you're taking it off, it's still like all over your fingers. So what I would say to do is go straight in the shower and just literally shower it all off. My skin feels really, really soft and really smooth. Like I noticed an immediate sort of glow, if you like. But yeah, my skin is looking really, really nice. My neck feels really, really smooth as well. But yeah, I think you guys should definitely try it out. Let me know how it goes. I left it on probably for about half an hour. And when you do leave it on, I didn't film this part, when you do leave it on, it does dry. So when it dries white. And it kind of goes a bit flaky and hard. So having said that, my whole face didn't dry, so I still had some areas around which were still wet and gooey. So I would definitely recommend that if you try this, number one, you blend the aloe vera instead of chopping it into pieces. So scrape it with a fork or a spoon and blend it. add some kind of oil, like almond oil, olive oil, or even like a vitamin E oil, and then leave it on for half an hour. And I guess because this is all natural ingredients, I guess this is something that if you wanted to leave on overnight, you could, but you'd probably have to have enough time in the morning to be able to wash it all off, because it took me about 10 minutes just to wash it off of my skin properly. And I think that there's still some bits like in my hair, like look, there's still some bits in my hair, and just, it doesn't matter because I'm going to go and shower anyway, but I'm just, for the purposes of this video, I'm letting you guys know. So definitely try those out and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share, and let me know about whatever videos you'd like to see or other things that you'd like to see me try. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, what's that there?